morning, everybody. It's NJTM Track Guy. Today is April 7th, 2014. I am back once again. I finally returned back for another update on the progress going on at the Freedom Tower. Yeah, it's been a long time since I came here to the site, but I'm almost done with college, and just the work is just way too much. You know how that is. You get paper after paper after paper. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that a lot has happened since my last visit, and let's just take a look and see what's going on here. These towers are both very close to completion. Here's One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. I hope you can hear me because it's a little windy. There's the antenna, and here is 4 World Trade Center, looking sharp. Both towers look amazing. Yeah, it's a little windy out here, everybody. I hope you can hear me, but I'm just gonna go around and see what's new. I'm pretty sure there's a lot to see, so let's get started. Alright, this is South End Avenue. Here again is One World Trade Center. Amazing skyscraper. Truly a marvel. Alright, this is West Street and Albany Street. Here is Tower 3 and a little bit of the transportation hub. And it looks like still nothing's happened with it, unfortunately. Transportation hub looks like it's making progress. We'll see when we get over there. There it is again. One World Trade Center and 7 World Trade Center. There's the corner of 4 World Trade Center. Oh, look here. The construction elevators, they're being dismantled. Oh, wow. That looks good. So the main construction elevator for One World Trade Center is now being dismantled, and is nearly completely all the way to the lobby. Very good. Again, that's progress. Major progress. Good. This is Washington Street. Over there is the Vehicle Security and Screening Center. There's Tower 4. For some reason, Tower 4 still has half of its construction elevators. My guess is it's still there for more internal work that's being done for now.
We're walking right to left.
One World Trade Center. There's a big gap there. The glass needs to be filled in. Alright, I'm approaching Thames Street. Here's a look at Tower 3 and Tower 4. Tower 3 is still on hold. That's very unfortunate. Tower 4 still has half of its construction elevators. Like I said, I would have to guess that it's still for remaining internal work. And there's Tower 1. See Tower 1 right there? For World Trade Center. This is Trinity Place. 3 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. And 7 World Trade Center.